Hey guys, it's Allison. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve these beachy wave curls. I've been super excited because I never normally do hair tutorials, but I thought why not do this for you guys. I kind of have just been obsessed with wearing my hair like this. I actually wore an outfit just like this, inserted here, and I thought it just made my look a little bit more chic and effortless. I just wore a basic crop top or a basic shirt, and then I wore ripped jeans, and I wore just some tennis shoes, and they made the outfit super nice and just chill and relaxed. So I hope you guys are excited for this video. This look is just super easy. You can literally just do it for whatever occasion. If you want to go to the beach with this hair to match the beach waves, why not? So I hope you guys are excited for this video, and if you guys want to learn how to achieve these chic, effortless beachy waves, then keep on watching this video. So as you can see, my hair just looks natural. I honestly didn't brush it, so I'm going to brush it in this video, but I like to do any heat styling kind of stuff like that, or do any hairstyles when I have second day hair, just because it's easier for my hair to hold a curl and it just doesn't look as frizzy as if I blow dried it or anything like that. And I just like to reduce the amount of heat styling I do on my hair, so I always like to do it on second day hair, and it works for me. So to kind of bring some volume and shine into my hair, I always like to do a dry shampoo in my hair or something of that sort. So lately I've been using the instant dry conditioner. I get the unscented because scents for me, if it's a little overpowering, especially in these types of hair products, I don't like. I'd rather go for unscented, and it has argan oil, which is really good for your hair, so it's good. And also doesn't leave a little it doesn't leave the white powder in your hair, and since I have dark hair, it just looks weird, and people can notice it, so I just do a little of that, and then I kind of just massage it into my hair and do a little of that, and it kind of hopefully lifts my roots. That's fine. So I just like to brush it out. I always like to focus on the ends because then I don't want my hair to break. So I did that, and then to kind of bring some shine into my hair, I use the Garnier Fructis or Fructis, I don't know, Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. This has argan oil from Morocco, which is good. So we get more argan oil, and I just take it in my hands, I pump it out, and then I focus it always on the ends because they get dry, and then I always do somewhere along my roots because it tends to just have my hair super soft. And then now that we got that down, I'm going to section off my hair so I can start the tutorial. So before I do that, I'm going to apply or spray the Tresemme Heat Tamer spray. I know a lot of people raved about this 5 years ago, and I still love it. I focus it pretty much on the ends, but I like to spray it all over. And it's also really good as a leave-in conditioner, so I also like to use it after I finish, once I wash my hair, I always like to do it because especially just takes out the tangles, and it's just a really good heat product. And then I have this section that I'm gonna start curling. I just like to be organized that way, so I know I look like a weird person right now, but it's fine. So then the curling barrel that I use is the Hot Tools. I don't know, this is just a 1-inch, and I've had this for a while. It has a bunch of spray stuff in here. It's gone along with me, I think. So sometimes I actually like to flatten this thing out so it doesn't, so it kind of prepares my hair in a way. And then I'm gonna do this towards my face. I'm gonna start off here, and then I'm going to wrap, and then you're going to pull, going to wrap, and you're going to pull, and then just do that. So yeah, you want to make sure you leave a piece like this piece on the end, so it doesn't look super curly, because then it'll have that curly look. So kind of want to do that. So you kind of want to create like this kind of a curl, like super loose. This one was like a fail, but it's fine. And then I like to spray. You should probably spray like as you go, but like I just do it on whatever side. Okay. I think I sprayed it on the barrel by accident. So I kind of like to scrunch it up a little bit. And then we're gonna do it on the other side. So have this hair. Pull, wrap, pull, and wrap. Kind of like to do a little bit of that, and then kind of creates this nice little wave. And then I'm gonna do this away. And then what you do is you wrap, pull, wrap, pull, wrap. Like you can see, I leave a piece out. Kind of creates this little curl. It's gonna be towards my face, so we're gonna start off here. I'm gonna wrap, pull, wrap, pull, wrap. So you don't want to pull too much, because then you're going to have this piece be part of your hair, and you don't want that. So kind of just do that. So we have those pieces done. I think I did all of them. Are you sure? I did. Okay, so I did all of them here. Kind of want to recurl this piece. Enjoyed this video. I had a really fun time filming this look for you guys. I never do hair videos, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And also, I hope you guys are loving all the postings that I'm giving you guys. Like, I've just been super excited just filming. So hopefully you guys are enjoying it. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in next week's video. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. So don't forget to click the bell notification down below if you guys want to be notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye.